What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I bleached and colored this hair in a video that I did a while back. I'll make sure I link that below, but this video will be over me styling this hair, so if you want to see that, just keep on watching. When I initially got this wig, I believe it was about 16 inches and it was a black color, so I bleached and dyed it emerald green. I also cut it into a bob to make it look like this. Recently, I seen an emerald green wig online and I was about to buy it, but then I was like, oh, I remember I made a wig a while back, so I went into my closet and pulled this out and I decided to wear it today and style it. So starting off, I'm going to glue the wig down. I'm using Got To Be glue, as you see here. I only glue the wig down where it will be seen. Otherwise, I don't glue the whole wig down. Originally I did it as a middle part, so I'm just going to move that middle part to the side and wear it as a side part today. This is what I used to do my baby hairs. I picked this up off of Amazon. It has a comb at one end and a brush at the other end. I just pull my hair back and clip it. As you can see where I didn't glue the wig down, it's okay because you won't see that part. So after I clip it back, I just pull out some hair that I want to leave out for baby hair. And I use Got To Be glue to gel those down. I'm not the best at baby hair, so don't be on my head about how these look. So once I get the baby hairs how I want, I go back in with powder. This is e.l.f. powder, the name rubbed off, and just put in my part to make it look more natural. So I'm combing the hair down, and as you see, because it was a middle part, one side is longer than the other, I'll cut that and fix it later. But I'm going to bump the ends with this cheap flat iron. Here I'm just trying to make it lay flatter, so I'm going over with a curling wand. And here I'm not in clip, but I'm just clipping off the hair to make it more even. I didn't want it to be too curly where the curls were tight. I wanted more of a loose wave, beach wave, messy look. So I'm not holding the curl wand on it too long, so I'm just curling, cutting. So I do that all the way around my hair until I'm satisfied. This glove I have on is to protect myself from getting burnt. I burnt my forehead and I burnt my hand while filming this. So I'll just let you watch the rest because it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going around my whole head curling.